It really speaks about how Filipinos love to love and how we love even if the pain is unbearable. Gusto ko rin po i-dedicate yung song sa mga OFW, sa mga tao po nasa ibang bansa na nami-miss nila yung nangungulila po sila sa mga pamilya nila.
Go somewhere. Yes. Let's go.
It's a good opportunity for me to explore more sa mga non-narrative type of music videos that I really love. Kasi yung music video na to, it's filled with more metaphors rather than a story.
But this looks like a swim. Don't you worry. There's some
para sa debut ng Eurovision na ahas. Si JL ang nag-iisang pinangyari pagkatapos ng tagumpay sa SBS Winners League.
Nakakatuwa po pag nakikita ko yung name ko with our Philippine flag. Pinag-dream ko lang po talaga na mangyari na.
Isa sa naging puso ni JL.
Especially to Sandara. Seeing her po nung bata po ko na she's Korean pero sobrang galing niya po talaga. Parang nag-wonder po ko na what if meron din pong Filipino na ganun sa Korea.
Pinangalan si JL, di ba ang reality mo?
Okay. That's fine. The church is
And
really
actually, yung members ko din sobrang na-enjoy nila kasi pumato.
Pilit ni JL, siya
just like a pillow.
sana
No, it's
kilala ang
but that was broken. Oh no. Oh no, it's flat. Wow! They're playing. It's like a space. Whoa! Wow! That car is spacious. What's that? Yeah. Wow! Yeah. That was weird. What is mine? Because it's too beautiful. Yeah. Hindi mo pa ito nabisa chika ba pita diba sa to okay, what is